A&M Bulldogs, number 25.
Renowned marching maroon and white band of Alabama A&M University. The band moves in a multi-directional sequence that displays the exciting precision trail routine to the Starship by Nicki Minaj. Oh boy! Blast off! This is the marching maroon and white band of Alabama A&M University. That's right, nobody grooves like us. Keep the party going with Turn Me On by Nicki Minaj. They are the famous letters A-A-M-U for Alabama A&M University. Slow down, MLW! Bring it back! Oh yeah! Let's change the pace with Scream by Usher! That's right! The March of Maroon and White Band is located in the Rocket City, USA! The band is now moving in concert formation. Oh yeah! Make some noise, Auburn! In concert formation, the band is performing that big #1 hit by Rihanna, called Where Have You Been? Featuring the sizzling, sensational, dancing diva. Ladies and gentlemen, now entering the field is your 2012 Auburn University Marching Band. For halftime entertainment, we proudly present the music of legendary rockers Aerosmith. Their international success and acclaim spans 4 decades and continue to excite audiences around the globe. We begin with the first single from their 1970 find the popular opener from the 1990s Get a Grip Tour. Here is Dream On and Eat the Rich. University Marching Band is under the direction of Corey Sterling. Director of Bands is Rick Good. Associate Director is Doug Roseman. Auxiliaries coordinated by Christina Kamak. Graduate assistants are Zach Dobbs, Chapel McCullough, Susan Steele, Aaron Topp, and Drew Brooks. Announcer has been Jim Jackson. Enjoy the rest of the game, and War Eagles!